Alright guys, we're here today at 1709 West Calle del Norte, out here in Chandler, Arizona. As you can see, we have the fantastic home right here in front of us. You can see, of course, get your nice basketball hoop up there. And then the quick look around the neighborhood. I mean, you can see how quiet it is, how well kept everything is. So, I mean, this is a fantastic, very well maintained area. And I mean, this home is just minutes away from, some really nice shopping, some prime food places. So there's a lot of things to do within just a very short drive. So let's take a step on inside. And right away, you can see when you step into a very large living area, maybe even like a family room, you could say. And another thing I want to point out is these vaulted ceilings. So, I mean, you can see those are easily 13-foot ceilings maybe. So, I mean, this room feels huge, even though it's already a really nice size. It's going to feel even larger with all the natural light coming in and just how high these ceilings are. So over here, you're going to have your kitchen. You're also going to have your dining area, which you could have either set up here. You see that you get this really cool light up there, or you can have it set up this way as well. So I mean, it's really up to you, but you can see, I mean, just the amount of space that you have in here is fantastic. Nice high archways over there as well. And then this awesome breakfast bar that you get. So imagine having some bar stools pulled up, friends and family over. This is a great space to entertain. And all of these appliances are going to come with the home. So you get the fridge, the stove, oven, the range. All of those things are going to stay with this home. So that's just a nice touch to not have to worry about replacing any of those things. And then here you have your nice private washer and dryer laundry room. And then directly off of this, you're going to have your 2-car garage. You can see is a very nice space, and you have floor to ceiling cabinets in here as well. So you can see, just all of the storage space, as well as you're going to have your water heater and some extra racks over there as well for even more storage. So I mean, if you love to work on cars, or you just have, a lot of items that maybe like winter items that you don't use all the time, you can easily store those in the garage. And just pull them out when you need them. So that's a fantastic use of space over there. And then let's go ahead and take a step into your backyard. Which you can see, again, is a very nice size. I mean, this is actually quite a very large backyard. Especially for this area. I mean, you get tons of space. You get the storage shed. I mean, you can see also all the windows that this home has that just lets in all of the natural light. And then you can see over here, you have this really cool, like, seating area. Imagine having like a fire pit over here. And then let's go ahead and take a step back on inside. I mean, you can see, of course, you even get your fan, your lights out here. So, I mean, imagine like the evening time, grilling, having some friends over. This is a fantastic space. And then let's come back past the front door over here. And we can step into the enclosed den. So, I mean, you imagine this having been like your office space or something like that. You get all the really cool built-in shelving over here. A nice window over there as well. And then again, the nice high ceilings. So then over on this side of the home is where all of your bedrooms are going to be. But first, we're going to step into your nice hall or guest bathroom, which you can see is a full bath. You get your nice vanity and the nice shower tub combo over there. And then over here's the primary, but we're going to save that for last. And we'll actually come over here to the right. And you're going to have a couple guest bedrooms. So here's number 1. Of course, you get your ceiling fan. You get this really cool ceiling design as well. on top of just a ton of room in here and just the natural light that comes flooding in this room as well. And then of course your nice closet as well, which is nice 2 full doors. So you're gonna have plenty of space. And then in here is kind of a copy of the first guest bedroom. So again, your closet, your ceiling fan. Also want to point out, you have some nice tile in here as well, so it's very easy to keep clean, very low maintenance, just like it is in here. And then lastly, probably my favorite part of the home is going to be the primary bedroom. So again, we can see these massive ceilings, of course your ceiling fan, and this really nice carpet in here. And then directly off of the bedroom, you're going to have your closet, which is a very nice size. You can see floor to ceiling, shelving and hanger space in here. And then lastly, we're going to have, right past the separate door to the backyard, you're going to have your primary bathroom. So you can see you get 2 nice dual vanities, a massive walk-in shower. You can see just how big this shower is. It's huge. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you want to send in an application, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.